Hey guys, welcome back to Watch Me Clean Wednesday. Today I'm going to be cleaning out and organizing my refrigerator. I do keep up with my fridge by wiping it out weekly. Every time I get groceries, I wipe it down. So that's just a little tip for you guys to help maintain it so it's not as hard to clean out. So yep, that's what I do. I wash it out at least once a week, and then I like to wipe down the bottoms of all of the products as well because they can get really dirty, and that really helps to maintain a clean fridge. So I hope you guys enjoy. If I am doing a deeper clean, I will take the glass shelves out and wash those in the sink as well, but because I do maintain my fridge, it's really not that hard to clean, so I don't have to do that very often. But I did take the drawers out and wash those in the sink just because they handle meats and produce and they can get a little bit grosser. So I wanted to wash them out with hot soapy water. So you will see me take the drawers out and wash them, but I just wiped down everything else with that Purell disinfectant, and that worked really well for me.
Don't you look at that? I said, my friend, what you looking at? I think she is something for me. Excuse me, miss, it's my first time here. Maybe you can show me out of here. I think she got something in me. So please forgive my rudeness if I'm tripping over your time. But you look so amazing. And we can be so much more. Me saying, hey, girl, will you marry me? 2 kids in a house and live happily. I think we are so meant to be. But she says, wait, you forgot something. Every good thing comes to an end. At least it always happened to me. I'm telling you this now. You don't need to worry, 'cause I got this all down. And we'll get on together. And we we
So I got all of these little aqua or mint, whatever you want to call them, containers at the Dollar Tree, of course. That's my favorite place to shop for organizing bins. And so now I'm just going to go through and organize the girls' things and whatever else is left in the fridge.
Time every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby. I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Now I'm going to go through all of the items in the door. A lot of those items were expired, but I do have a little tip for you guys. I like to take a paper towel and fold it in half and keep that in the bottom there for the condiments, because they do tend to leak and get pretty gross, and that will help you when it's time to clean out. That way it doesn't get dried and caked in there. You can just take the paper towel out and toss it and replace it with a fresh one, and it keeps it nice and clean in there. So that is my little tip for you guys. So it was really easy again for me to clean because I did have those paper towels in there, and you will see in a second how I do that.
Let's make the most of this night. Come on, baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't want to do.
So now I'm all done. That did not take me very long at all. Like I said, if you just wipe it out weekly, it is really easy to maintain a clean fridge. Of course, it does get a little bit out of control when it comes to organizing, so I do like to go through and reorganize everything every so often. But this is how it turned out. I'm really happy with it. Everything has a place. You can easily find everything. The girls can easily reach in and grab a snack or a drink. And it's so clean and fresh, and there's nothing like a clean and fresh fridge. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like my videos and you watch them, subscribing really helps me out, and that way you won't miss when I upload. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like clean fridges, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!